seconds. Most people actually get this one wrong. When it shows up, just type your answer in the comments or the chat. All right, guys, you ready? Let's go. All right, so here we go. We got a puzzle, or a riddle here. We're trying to figure out which number is the odd one out. You have 8 letters here, right? A through G. Each of them are 3 numbers. So we're trying to figure out which one is the odd one out. All right, take your time with this. All right, don't rush this. Look closely. Give you guys a few more seconds. And once you figure it out, just put your answers in the chat. Don't answer too fast. But there is an answer to this one, guys. So we're trying to figure out which number is the odd one out. You have 8 numbers there. The odd one out. Yeah, look closely at this one. So you want to look at each number. Nothing like a good riddle or a good puzzle to end the day, right? So we're looking for the odd one out. Does anybody have any answers so far? We have 8 numbers here, right? If you guys figure it out, just put your answers in the chat. Pretty good puzzle, pretty good puzzle. I didn't see it right away. Took me a little time, but maybe some of you will see it right away. One thing about this one is that it says odd, right? And it's highlighted red. What do you guys think about that? Trying to figure out. So we're got another harder puzzle here coming up too. So give you guys a few more seconds with this one. So it looks like you got A through D in that first column and D through G in the second column. We're looking for the odd one out here. Yeah, I did not see it right away. Also, if you guys get a chance, just go ahead and like the live. It really helps the channel. I really appreciate that. Try to do this whenever I can throughout the week. So do we have an answer yet? We're looking to see which number is the odd one out. We got 8 numbers here. A through G, 8 letters and 8 numbers. And the letters are A through G. I think you have all numbers there. So what do you guys think? Now we got that first letter. We got 168 there, right? We got B is 492. We got C is 744. We got D is 338. We got 2 D's. Interesting. We got another D on the right-hand column is 564. We got E is 690. We got F is 834. And we got G is 258. We're looking for the odd one out here. The odd one out. Interesting. We do have another puzzle here coming up. A few more seconds here. It's a good warm-up puzzle, right? So yeah, so we got 4 numbers there, 4 letters, 2 columns. We're looking for the odd one out. What do you guys think? It's interesting that there's 2 D's, one at the bottom of the left-hand column and one at the top of the right one, right? So we got 2 D's. And interesting enough, they're all even numbers. We're looking for the odd one out. So D on the bottom is 338, and D at the top on the type pound right hand side is 564. And it looks like which number is the odd one out? Odd is in red, which is interesting. May or may not mean anything. What do you guys think? We're looking for the odd one out. I'll give you guys a clue in a couple seconds here. The odd one out. So, I'm trying to think of a good clue. I don't want to give it away. How about this? The first clue is sum. How about that? So hint number 1 is sum. What do you guys think? We're looking for the odd one out here. We got 8 numbers, and the first hint is sum. Yeah, if you guys figure it out, just go ahead and drop your answers in the chat. If you have a good answer and you want to justify it, I mean, that works too. As long as you can justify it, the logic makes sense, right? So, some of these puzzles, I mean, there's more than one answer, and there's a right answer, but there's also pretty good answers that are justifiable too. So if you figure those out, just drop it in the chat as well. So we're looking for the odd one out here. Yeah, take your time. And the first hint is sum. Sum. I'll give another hint pretty soon here. So we have 8 numbers. They're all even, by the way. So which number is the odd one out? There's 2 D's. Yeah, don't rush this. What do you guys think? The first hint, if you guys are just joining us, is sum. You got 8 numbers. We're trying to figure out which number is the odd one out. Oh, my dogs are in the background barking. So we're trying to figure out which one is the odd one out. First hint is some. Okay, let's give a second hint. My second hint is going to be try addition. Try adding. What happens when you add them together? Adding together. So what do you guys think? We have A is 168, B is 492, C is 744, D is 338. There's two D's. There's another D on the right-hand side. You got E is 690, F is 834, and G is 258. Trying to figure the odd one out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. So if you add, for this one, in case you guys want to use this in the future, if you add 1 plus 6 plus 8, what do you get? Right? So you get 15. If you add 4 plus 9 plus 2, that's 15. If you add 7 plus 4 plus 4, that's 15. If you add 3 plus 3 plus 8, that's 14, right? 5 plus 6 plus 4 is 15. 6 plus 9 plus 0 is 15. 8 plus 3 plus 4 is 12. 8 plus 3 plus... Oh, my dogs are barking. Okay, so what I get is D on that one. So let's go to the next one. Okay, so right here, I'm looking at... we have 10 fish in a tank. 2 drown, 4 swim away, 3 die. How many are left? What do you guys think? Ten fish in a tank. How many are left after 2 drown, 4 swim away, and 3 die? Yeah, take your time with this one too. And just once you figure it out, just drop your answers in the chat or the comments. And if you guys get a chance, go ahead and like the live too. I really appreciate that. We try to do this throughout the week. Yeah, so look closely. So we have 10 fish in a tank. 2 drown, 4 swim away, and 3 die. How many are left? My dog's sitting here walking around. And sometimes the most easiest solution is not the one that pops out right away. It might not be the right one. Awesome. So we do have, okay, Christopher says 5. Okay. How did you get 5? Robert says 7. Okay. How did you get 7, Robert? Left alive or total? Interesting. I would say left alive, right? I would say that's what do you guys think? I think left alive. Christopher, how did you get, Robert, how did you get 7? Oh, you just, 3 died, so you have 7 left. Okay. I got you. Okay, Chandler says 10 minus 4 equals 6. 6. Okay. Because 4 swam away. Okay. If I'm following you. Okay. Does anybody else have any answers? So we have 10 fish in a tank. We're trying to figure out how many are left. Okay, 4. Chandler says 4 are still in the tank. Okay, got you. Because 4 swam away and 2 drowned. Okay, so we got Gwen says 10. Okay, that's another 10. That's yeah, that's true. That's a very good point, man. I like that. Fish cannot drown. I like that answer. Okay. None left in the tank. Okay, Robert says, it's alive. It is 7 if I total 10. Got you. So Arno says all of them. So 10. So if you're counting them being in the tank, how many are left in the tank, whether alive or dead? Yeah, it wouldn't make sense, all of them, I think. Yeah. So Chandler says it doesn't say how many fish are alive and in the tank. It does not. That is a good. Yeah, I see what you mean. Well, one thing, I don't know, just pops out is they say 3 die, and then how many are left? Kind of makes me, I don't know. Does anybody else have any good answers here? 10 fish in a tank. 10 fish are in a tank. 2 drown, 4 swim away, and 3 die. How many are left? Yeah, that's what I want to know. In a tank, that's a closed box, right? Where are they swimming to? Is it some kind of Finding Nemo thing, where they jump out of the tank? I like that. Yeah, if you guys get a chance, just go ahead and like the live. Really helps the channel. I appreciate that. We try to do this throughout the week. So if you ever see me online, we have a live going, just go ahead and jump on and see what you guys think. All right, Chad says the 3 die include 2 drowning, and the ones that swam away are still in the tank. Yeah, I'm following you. Like, where are they swimming to? They're still in. Can you swim away and still be left in the tank? Yeah, I think so. Logic makes sense to me. You could swim at any distance and you're still in that tank, right? Is it like Marina? I don't know. All right, a few more seconds here, guys. So 10 fish are in a tank. How many are left after 2 drown, 4 swim away, and 3 die? All right, let's go and check out this other puzzle. Okay, right here we're looking for which number is the odd one out. You have 8 numbers here. Which number is the odd one out?